Hello, I'm Lisa Arana and welcome to another Assemble This video. For this round, we're going to be assembling two very quick and easy cards. It just requires some easy stamping and die cutting to come together to create two really clean and simple cards. I'm featuring the Happiest Wishes August 2021 sentiment kit from Unity Stamp Company. The big scripty sentiments just make for a wonderful focal point for a card, and then the little floral elements are a delightful accent for the phrases. I've already pre-stamped and colored my images with Copic markers. Since the floral images are so small, the coloring was a breeze with just 1 or 2 tones per family. And then for the first card, I die cut 2 ornate banners. And I'm just loving the white on white look for the background of these clean and simple cards. It really makes the sentiment stand out, and then the coloring from those little floral elements just really pops. Now I'm just going to add some foam adhesive to the smaller die cut panel. And then I'm just going to pop that up right in the center of the card, in the center of that previous ornate banner die cut as well. And then just to add a little bit more interest and texture to the card, I have a multi-loop bow made from some burlap string, and I just put down a dot of glue, and then I'm just going to hold that bow in place until it adheres. And now for our second card, we're going to do some more die cutting with this stitched scalloped edge die. And I'm just going to line that up and then secure that with some washi tape and run that through my die cut machine. And then we're just going to flip that over and die cut the other side of the card as well. This is just going to create a panel for the center of our card, and I really like the sweetness that the scalloped edge creates, and it's super simple to do. So I thought about having it go all the way to the top, but I did not like that, and then I realized that my flowers didn't go down to the bottom of my panel anyway. So I'm just going to trim off the edge down here so I have a nice clean edge, and then I actually like that shortness that it creates. It's just a little bit more interesting than having it go from top to bottom. So we're going to pop that up as well. Just going to put some big foam adhesive onto the back of this panel. And then glue that down with the bottom edge flush with the bottom of the card. And again, that white on white just really makes the colors from the simple Copic coloring really pop. And then we'll add another bow to the top of this card as well. I think it'd be really cute to do a whole set of these and to give them away. Maybe start making some Christmas gifts and get ready for that. And here are our finished cards. I just love the white on white of the layering of the die cuts. And then these big, beautiful scripty sentiments just really make a focal point for the card, and just a nice big bold greeting. And then I love the little dainty flowers and leaves in this set. Just really makes simple coloring so easy and fun to do. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, posts below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.